All right, good morning. Happy French election Monday. And the two populists, one of which wasn't even around in August, are the last two standing. And the market, all the headlines say the market, our market, likes this. I think this is more in reaction to the news, waiting for the Trump tax plan that he leaked out Saturday that would be coming Wednesday. So, the news is saying this rally is for the French election. I don't buy it. Matter of fact, I think most people were on the side that the populists would and Le Pen would be on the way. Now, if Le Pen wins, it's more like Trump. If the other guy wins, it's really bad for the euro. Either way, it's bad for the euro. So, how do you play it? Well, here we are. This is a daily chart, and you can see I've drawn some fib lines. And of course, miraculously, we're sitting right at the golden ratio, 61:8, from the high of the year to the recent low, which was down here in the teens, 17.5. So the fib is right here, 70, 69, 70 area, and we're trading 70. And we are now, let's see, it's 7:30, so we're about 16 and a half hours after we opened Sunday. The difficult thing I think for this market is going to be for it to get over 85 on a close. If we do that the next couple days, we may go back and test the highs, and that's 2400 level. If we don't, we'll fail and fill this gap back to 23, 55, 57, somewhere in there. That's kind of where we are. Very average at best volume on this big event news. One thing I did want to point out, ATR is stretched now to the high of the year. And this is good news for traders. And I personally, April was the best month I've had trading-wise. I've made money every month, but April was the best month. And that is really a factor that we don't have control of, but that you have to watch, and that's the ATR. The ATR bottom, you can see here, it hit a low of 1527 or so back there in March 13th. I don't think it was any lower the month before. So since then, 1527, and we're currently sitting at an ATR of about 1940. That's about 4 points, which is a considerable move. The expansion is about 27%, and the average true range daily on the S&P. And what this should mean is you don't even need to trade larger. The same size should extrapolate to an improvement in your profits, and this is how I look at markets. So as ATR increases, you don't even have to size up to create better opportunities. So you need to be aware that this trend clearly has changed, and we're currently on the upswing in volatility. This is how I look at volatility. Forget about the VIX. The VIX is crowded, stuffy. We're only looking at 100 stocks there. I'd rather look at the true range of the big 500 or the NASDAQ, etc. And this is what's happening. So wanted to point that out. ATR is on the expansion, and this has to do with sizing and risk. And you need to use these tools. If you have any questions, just give us a shout. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you on the other side.